One of the cases that I've worked on recently involved a 59-year-old woman who has 2 grandchildren who are living with her, actually right in this community of Deanwood. She had been having some medical issues and had to go to the hospital, and because of that fell behind on her mortgage payments. She had been working for someone as a cleaning woman. She cleaned homes and estates, and when she was facing foreclosure, she went to her boss, who was not only just a trusted person in her life but also happened to be an attorney, and asked if he could help her, and he agreed. What he agreed to do was to give her a sort of modest sized loan and the amount she needed to stop the foreclosure on her home. And that's when the problem started. She, like many of our clients, ended up signing a big stack of papers that she didn't understand, and in those papers were a promissory note with unconscionable terms and also a paper transferring the deed to her home to her employer. All of this was done without her knowledge and in exchange for a very modest loan of what was less than $10,000. When we learned about this case, we filed a TRO, a temporary restraining order. The judge luckily understood the nature of the transaction. He saw that it was unconscionable and voided not only the promissory note but also the deed, and affirmatively stated that this third-party employer had zero legal or equitable interest in the property. That stopped the foreclosure, and right now we are in the process of finalizing a modification agreement that will help her to have a much more affordable and sustainable loan in the long run.